but I wanted to be open and honest with you guys about it and not try and hide that from you. Good morning, guys. This is the face of a mom living that newborn life and that toddler life. We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch today, I think. So I gotta get myself together a little bit. We got up a little bit earlier this morning so that we could get everybody together and get out the door at a decent hour because we have a lot of things we want to do. We're going to the other side of town to go to the pumpkin patch and then run some errands. Today is the last day that we have Mimi full-time, and then tomorrow my grandma and my dad are coming into town. They're gonna meet Oakley, and then Mimi has to go home. I'm terrified. Let's be honest, I'm terrified. Let's go see what the rest of the family is up to. I think Andrew is cooking breakfast. This is grits. They are Geechee Boy grits. Are they from like South Carolina? So good. Oh my goodness. And then Andrew's got eggs going, and he has already cooked some bacon. It's the start to a great day. What time is it? It's 8:57. It's a miracle that we are already up and getting ready. Uh-oh, someone's getting a little upset. Oh, you tooted on camera. That's embarrassing. Oh, look how cute you are in your outfit. Do you know where we're going, Emerson? Hey, do you know where we're going? We're gonna go, should I tell her? To the pumpkin patch. Yeah. Like she already knew it. Yeah, totally. You wanna go to the pumpkin patch?
Mama taking a pumpkin patch.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
You want to go to the pumpkin patch, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's go, okay?
Now she's excited. Sure.
We are going to the pumpkin patch, like you just heard. And I am driving my car, and I have Oakley in the back seat, and my mom is going to sit in the back seat with him. And then Andrew has to drive his car with Emerson in her car seat in the back seat of his car, because we have just two really small cars and don't have room to fit all of us in one vehicle, which is very unfortunate because we are driving all the way across town. It's gonna take a little while. So I think we're gonna have to get a new car. And as much as we don't want to, we're thinking about getting a minivan. Just because they're so practical. Not cool, but practical. So we're gonna attempt to go to the pumpkin patch. I don't know if it's gonna actually end up working. Hopefully it does. We're out a little bit earlier than we had tried to go to the pumpkin patch yesterday, but we left a little bit too late. Emerson kind of was upset, so here comes Andrew to talk to me. Yep, let's go to the pumpkin patch.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
got back from Trader Joe's, and so before I put all these groceries away, I wanted to show you guys just some of the things that we got. So this is a staple. Every time we go to Trader Joe's, we usually pick up about 2 of these ground turkeys because they're so dang cheap, and it's just a nice, easy, healthy meal, and there's so many ways that you can use this. And we got these 2 little pumpkins. They were only like 69 cents each. So we got them to let Emerson paint, and she was so cute walking around the grocery store holding them. They're actually a little bit sticky right now because she ate a sucker and was holding them at the same time. I usually get a pack of these organic unsweetened coconut chips. I like to put them on yogurt with granola or just snack on them plain, and Emmy actually really likes to eat these. She calls them Pokenut. We just kind of got a whole Mod Podge of stuff, so I'm going to show you it in random order. Andrew got himself some mozzarella cheese sticks. That actually sounds really good right now. I'm super hungry. We usually always get Emmy some kind of waffles. They're like $1.99 for these waffles. So we've always got the blueberry ones, but this time they had pumpkin that we thought would be nice to try. Fun little story, Emmy actually prefers to eat these frozen, and when we go to toast them, she tells us no, thank you, that she would rather eat them frozen. Andrew got some more of these ciabatta rolls for sandwiches. They make super tasty sandwiches. So we got another one of those. We have not gotten cheese from Trader Joe's since we've been married, but my dad used to get cheese from there all the time. They have a ton to choose from, and they're all really yummy. So what is this? I don't even know what it is. Smoked Gouda. That will be tasty. He also got a couple of different lunch meats. So this one is just smoked turkey breast, and then this one looks really interesting. It's herbed turkey breast. So those will be fun to try. We got some unsalted butter. This was actually very inexpensive. So I think every time we go to Trader Joe's, I'll just pick up our butter from there because it's so dang inexpensive. Then we got another one of these. If you've seen some of my past videos, I've talked about this before. It is the garlic aioli mustard sauce, and it is so tasty on sandwiches. You can definitely taste the garlic, but it's really yummy. Andrew got some tomatoes for sandwiches. I have been craving quinoa for whatever reason, and we have a new Instant Pot, so this cooks up like super fast in the Instant Pot. So I grabbed some of this to have just on hand for easy dinners. I was also craving a pizza, so I got an Arugula Pizza. This one's really good. It's arugula and it has cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, provolone, and pecorino cheese. And then today, I think right now, I'm actually gonna cook up this one for lunch. It's uncured pepperoni pizza. It looks really yummy, so I'm gonna probably cook that one up right now. This is Emerson's Halloween costume in the background, by the way. My mom is here and she's sewing that, so that's what that is in the background. Organic ketchup. We go through this pretty quickly because Emerson likes to eat it. This was on sample today and we had to get it. It's Honey Crisp apple cider, and it's really refreshing and tasted so good, so we got one of those. And then this is the best hot sauce. Andrew's kind of obsessed with it. It's the Green Dragon hot sauce. We put this on Asian food, on Mexican food. It's just really, really tasty, and we've already gone through a bottle, so we picked up another one. I think I showed you everything. This was just our little haul from Trader Joe's for the day. So we got back from the pumpkin patch, and I just finished nursing Oakley. He's sleeping again. He's the sweetest, best baby in the whole entire world. The whole world. He literally is perfect. But we went to the pumpkin patch, then we ran some errands. I stopped at the P.O. box, and then we went to Trader Joe's and grabbed some groceries. And then we came home and got everybody into the house and all the groceries put away and did like a bunch of other things. Here's my lunch. It's just some frozen pepperoni pizza from Trader Joe's. It sounded so good to me. And so now I'm just finally sitting down and taking a breather. Oakley will probably take a little nap on me while I watch some Netflix. The pumpkin patch was fun, but it was very, very busy. I'm used to, like, when I think of the pumpkin patch, I think of just the pumpkin patch and maybe like a pony ride. But this was a crazy pumpkin patch, and there was all kinds of activities for the kids to do, but there was also like a ton of kids there. So I like was terrified that Emmy was gonna get lost or trampled. All in all though, it was a good experience, and I'm glad that we went. We got some really cute pictures and some really cute footage, and you cannot go through the fall season without going to the pumpkin patch. So I'm glad we went. I'm hoping tonight that Andrew and I can go on a date night, so we'll see about that. We'll see if that happens. My mom will stay with Emmy tonight, and hopefully Andrew and I can get out. We will take Oakley with us though. Sweet to him. Oh, what a good big sister. Are you burping him? She just pretended to burp. What are you doing?
Mama Gawa.
Mama got a stamp at the pumpkin patch today. Look at yours. Did you go to the pumpkin patch today?
Yeah.
What'd you do there?
I go put in all this dog toys. I put in all this toys.
You played with, did you go on the slide?
Yeah.
You did?
That was,
And did you see the animals?
yeah.
Did you like them?
Is that the pencil? Is it in the pencil?
Panda suit? Did you feed the goats?
Yeah.
Did you see a kangaroo?
Yeah.
You did?
Did you find the bear? Did they find the bear?
I didn't see a bear there. I didn't see any bears. Did you?
Is it in the bear? In the bear?
Oh my gosh. So I did not end the vlog last night. My intention was to take you guys along with us on our date night. And then all heck broke loose. And, you know, I just was not in a state to pull out the camera. So what happened was we were planning on going on a date night. We ate a late lunch, so we weren't like super hungry. And the day just kind of got away from us. Emmy ended up wanting me, and I just hadn't been able to give her, you know, as much time, obviously, as she was used to getting from me because of the new baby. So she had been spending a lot of time with my mom, which she loves her. But her like wanting to spend time with me meant a lot, and I knew that it was important that I take the time to pay her some one-on-one attention. So I did that. And because of that, the day just kind of got away from us, and it ended up being way later than I thought. And it was just too late for us to go on a date night. But once I realized that we weren't going to get to go on our date night, I got super emotional about it and started crying. And then the baby blues hit, and I couldn't stop crying. So I was kind of over the fact that we weren't going to get to go on our date night, but because of all the hormones going through my body right now, I just was not able to stop crying. And so all that to say, that's why I didn't end the vlog last night. But I wanted to be open and honest with you guys about it and not try and hide that from you. The baby blues is a real thing, and it's especially real with me. I'm prone to being emotional anyways. I'm prone to getting into deep, dark funks. And after I had Emmy, I definitely went into a postpartum depression and ended up having to go to the doctor and being put on medication for it, which I'm so grateful that there are things out there that can help you get through it. But then when I was pregnant with Oakley, I had like a prenatal depression that I sunk into, and it was not good. So I am just very prone to being emotional, and that's okay, but I want to be open and honest with you about this postpartum journey, because I know that I'm not the only person going through it. I know that I am not the only person that suffers from postpartum depression, and I'm trying my best to combat that so that it stays at a, you know, maximum baby blues and doesn't go into the postpartum depression, but I am mentally prepared that that is a possibility. But I want to be open and honest with you guys as I go through this journey, this postpartum journey. If that ends up happening, I'm going to let you guys know, just because it's real life and it's who I am and it's what I'm going through. But last night was not postpartum depression. It was just my hormones are flowing, and I got emotional. I could not stop crying. But Andrew was so sweet. He understands at this point. I think at first when I was going through it with Emmy, he didn't get it. He was like, what has happened to my wife? But now he knows just that it's part of the process. It's part of what happens. And so he was really sweet just to hug me and kiss me, and that's really all that he can do to help me get through it. But so I'm gonna end the vlog now, but I wanted to let you guys know what had happened, and like I said, just be open and honest with you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing a little glimpse into our day going to the pumpkin patch, and I just appreciate you guys following us along on this journey and supporting us. It seriously is the best. You guys mean the world to me. But make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any more videos coming up. We're going to have a very packed month here in November, full of videos, so you don't want to miss any of those videos. Also, follow us on Instagram at alli_gooch, so you guys can hang out with us more on a day-to-day basis, because I'm posting on there all the time. So follow us on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.